Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Remote Play on your phone using the PlayStation app. So if you don't have this, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and get PS app right here and then sign in with your email address and password. So this is a little bit different now. It's all integrated into one app, so PlayStation Remote Play. I don't think there is a separate app for that anymore. So what you want to do is simply select the game you want to go and play. So go on over the game library and then find the game. So these are games that are installed on my PlayStation 5 already. So I'm going to select Helldivers here. And as soon as you go to the game, if your PlayStation 5 is connected, you can see mine is connected right here. You can just go to Play using PS Remote Play and select that. And it's going to start up the game. And it's very easy. Just make sure your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode. So you can go ahead and start it up. I heard it in the other room. I heard it on the TV. So it should be starting up. And if you have a password, you're going to have to remember the password, like the login keypad. And it's going to be a little bit different on here. And the cool thing is that we can use our mobile network to connect to Remote Play. So we can literally be on the beach playing our PlayStation 5. So just make sure you link your PS5 ahead of time. So here is where it gets a little confusing. You might have to go to C controller buttons to type in your login password, unless you just remember it like me. And boom. And then you can log in. And now I'm going to be playing PlayStation Remote Play on my phone. And for first person shooters, this probably isn't going to work the greatest. And you can see Helldivers is, no, that's Elder Scrolls Online. So that's in the background. So you got all the controls down here. You even got a microphone. So let's go back to the home screen. And sometimes I'll use this just to get my game started up and ready while I'm in the bathroom and my friends are playing or something. I'll get my PlayStation all set up. I'll get in a party chat. And then when I'm done, I can go ahead and just jump in and play with them. So sometimes, yeah. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.